Quick video today. I've got the Ripa RS4 here. It's a Kubota diesel powered little baby mini skid. It's like 2,000 pound machine. And I've got loads of shale here, muddy clay shale. And I need to move some of it. And I'm wondering how well this thing does. And any of you shopping for one of these little mini skids, something like this from Ripa with a warranty from a dealer, can it do work? I don't know. Well, let's try it out real quick. I'm just about to leave the cabin property and go back to my house, but I'm gonna play with this real quick just so we can see how it works. Now, this machine was sent to me by GSA Equipment. It's a dealership in Ohio, and they're a dealer for Ripa, Durette, VMANG, High Top, Daihatsu mini trucks. They stock all that stuff, normal brick and mortar. You can call up and you can order one of these. They ship around the country. You can also go pick it up in person. If you do, mention this channel, OurLifeInTrees, for a $200 discount. But let's jump into this. Thanks for GSA for sending this machine out. Let's see if we can do some more. So it bogs a little bit, but I got a decent scoop. It's not the fastest thing in the world, but it's a whole lot better than a wheelbarrow, you know what I mean? Let's see. Lift. Jump. Nice. Wonder if I can level with this. Not very well without float. Well, actually a little better than I thought it would do. It's crushing rocks. Let's get these bottom ones first. Woo! All right. Maybe I just need some practice, because that was pretty solid, honestly. That shale was muddy and stuck. Honestly, not bad. So what I've got here is some shale. And if you don't know what that is, it's like muddy clay mixed with little bits of rock and some big rocks. So it's pretty heavy. And it's natural out here in southeastern Oklahoma. So we use this for like road beds. I'm gonna put a shop out here. So I'm just getting a base down. I'll come in later with another machine and I'll level it all out. like $8,000. This doesn't seem like a bad choice, honestly. It's easy to use and maneuver. It's lightweight, it's small. You can run attachments. It's taken me a while to move all this shale, but it can do it. And it's much better than a shovel and a wheelbarrow. I mean, I'm just standing here using my hands, you know? I've not run a small Kubota before, so this is kind of new to me, you know? But it seems to work pretty well. I mean, it works forwards and backwards, you know what I mean? So, that's kind of cool. So officially that bucket is for the Rippa RS6, and I'm just going to leave it here. I've got the Rippa RS3 at home, and I'm going to use the bucket on this if I need to. I don't know, I got a ton of buckets. But what I'd really like to do with this machine is I've got this little flail mower. I picked it up at an auction, and I think that this would be a great tool for this machine. I would imagine it won't have a problem running it. Let me show you what this flail mower is. So a flail mower, see, it spins and it's got all these teeth, all these little blades, tons and tons of just little blades everywhere. And so as it spins, all these blades are just, and this is a wicked brush cutter. But I think this would be a great little tool for the RS4. I have a problem. And my problem is, so you've got a male, this is I think your K-strain, and then we've got two female couplers. Well, standard is a male and a female for your flow, and then a female for your K-strain. So K-strain's good, and then I can't do this. Why? These are 1/2-inch couplers. These are 3/8-inch couplers. These are both female. This is male and female. So I'm gonna have to do some changing around here of couplers on this RS4 so I can use all my attachments. And that is a real thing. But to tell you the truth, all you have to do, once you change out your coupler, man, you're good to go for every attachment you need in the future, unless you have some that need some 3/8-inch. If it weren't for that, we'd be running this right now, you know? So I'm gonna get this loaded up on the trailer. I'm just gonna set this dude on top of the trailer. We got to play a little bit with that RS04, and I like it. So it's loaded up on the trailer. I'm about to head home. Thanks for sticking around. Quick video today. Just wanted to show you a little bit about this machine before I load it up and take it home. So have a great night. If you want to see more on this machine and all the other ones, like and subscribe. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. Have yourself a great night and enjoy the sunset. Deal for you today. I've got the Ripa RS4, that GSA equipment, and